Namaste students. Today we will start with the chapter 5 of your social science book and the name of the chapter is Directions. Let's read the chapter now. Do you know what is meant by the word direction? Let us know about in detail. Whenever we are not in rest, we are moving. Whenever we move on the certain direction, it means whenever we are moving, we are always in a certain direction. What is that direction that we have to find out? Generally, there are four main directions, that is north denoted by N, and the opposite to the north is the south denoted by S, west denoted by W, and east denoted by E. These are the four main directions, or we can say the cardinal directions. Let's read more about it. Meaning of direction. The way along which a person or a thing moves is called the direction the person is taking. In this picture, you can see a boy is moving. It means the boy is in the moving position. It means the boy is in any of the direction. Any of the direction can be the north, south, east and the west. Whenever a person is always there in the moving position, it means he or she is always in any of the direction. Hands direction. You can also practice this. You need to stretch your hands and find out the directions. Let's read it. When you stretch your right hand, the direction pointed by you is the right. When you stretch your left hand, the direction is the left. Anything you face is in front of you. Hence, we are aware that sun rises in the east, it sets in the west. So, two directions are the east and the west. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Pole star is in the north. When we face north, the direction behind us is the south. If we are standing in the north, the opposite to the north will be the south. So again, the four directions will be east, west, north and south are four major directions. East, west, north and south are known as the major directions, also the cardinal directions, also known as the fixed directions. It means east, west, north and south does not move according to the person, means it does not change according to the position of a person, whereas left and right directions always changes according to the change in the position of a person. That's why the east, west, north and south are known as the major and the cardinal or the fixed directions. Directions facing each other are called opposite directions. See the directions on a map. The top is the north, opposite to the north is the south, and the west and east. Directions on map. Do you know the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets all rises in the east and sets in the west? The earth rotates or spins towards the east, and that is why the sun, moon, planets and stars all rise in the east and makes their way westwards across the sky. Means the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, in the same way the stars and the planets as well. Now let's recall the chapter. It's very short and sweet chapter and the most interesting one. In this we have discussed about the four directions, that is the north, south, east and west. These are the fixed and the cardinal directions. These directions never changes according to the position of a person. They are always fixed at their position, whereas right and left directions always changes according to the change of a person. Now let's take the quick recap of the chapter. Whenever we are moving, we move in a certain direction. Means when we are not in rest position, we are in moving position, we are always in any of the direction, either the north or south or the east and west. There are four directions: north, south, west and east. Sun, moon and star all rise in the east and make their way westwards. Means they rises in the east and sets in the west. So this is all what about your chapter, that is the directions. I hope you have understood well about the four directions and learned the name of the directions properly, and always whenever you are walking, try to find out that in which direction you are walking. Thank you.